This is the dragon tree in bloom. Now I'm not sure if this is Dracaena drago or Dracaena cinnabari. We'll talk more about that at the end. But the dragon tree takes about, its bloom cycle is every 10 to 15 years. And after it blooms, it will become a multi-headed plant. So I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this to happen. And wow, it is not disappointing it at all. So let's talk about the flowers first. As you can see, they're very petite. I thought they would have been larger, more like an agave, so boy was I wrong. But they're kind of lily-like, and they're very, very fragrant, have a perfume scent, and they're sort of a white. Some people call them cream, but I'd say it's pretty white. Now, in time, it will create coral-colored berries, and that will become the seeds. So, wow, this is amazing. I'm really excited to see this, and now our dragon tree will have multi-heads. So, what is going to happen now is it's going to have terminal branches and then multiple branching. And the process repeats every 10 to 15 years until it becomes a really massive tree, and we'll show you a picture of what that looks like here. So wow. Now the view from under it, you can see, is really cool. I just love this plant. Now it likes well-draining soil, and it's very slow to grow. It also prefers, I'd say, a little bit of shade in Southern California. Full sun kind of burns it every summer, so be aware of that. Now I do think this could be the blood dragon or Dracaena cinnabari, because if you see it, there's a lot of redness to that. And when we pull out one of these branches, let's get better. There is a bit of redness to it, almost like dried blood. So I haven't tried to milk this thing. It's young. In time I will. But again, look, it's got a really, and both varieties have redness, so it's really hard to tell which one you have, I think. There isn't much information on the blood dragon, which grows on the island of Yemen. So anyways, something really stunning about this plant, Dracaena drago, or Dracaena cinnabari, the dragon tree. Really slow grower, gets really big, hardy to zones 9 to 12, and it likes well-draining soil. And again, grow it in a bit of shade. You can see I planted that grevillea tree there. Sorry, an ant's biting me. I planted that grevillea tree there because I knew it would grow large and produce some shade for this plant, and it's much happier now. But there you go, give us a like and a subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day. And this is such a cool thing to see once every 10 to 15 years. All right, have yourself a great day. Take care.